What's up YouTube? This is your boy Shape is back with another video of Barber Matthew. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and enjoy. All of this craziest, satisfying ASMR and time at the best barber around the world. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, I think you have to subscribe right now because this episode gonna make your day.
Hella overgrowth on that hairline, so I gotta take all that shit down, then prep the skin for a crispy ass line. Then I thin out that hairline, then I'm gonna start in the middle, connect the middle to the corner, and then boom, that's the end look. If you're in Lower Maryland, want the best hairline, click the link in the bio to book today.
All of these craziest haircuts inspired by the most talented and most sophisticated barber around the world, and that kind of barbers got amazing skills, and they are very professional, they are very dedicated, they are very loyal with their work, and we appreciate that type of barber. And even all of these hairstylists who work there. Wow. If you are searching some super clean short haircut, I think you are in the right video, because this video will give you the more option to think wisely and get some perfect and unique haircut today. So if you really love that type of haircut, then save that video, go to your barber shop and just show that video and get haircut exactly that.
His hairline is wildin'. He got hella overgrowth and 2 light spots. Other barbers give him a rainbow hairline because of the overgrowth or push it back because of the light spots. But I'm about to save your boy, so I thin it out, lay the waves down. I'm gonna go ahead, prep the skin up, and line it up real natural, and then boom, no finished product. If you in Lower Maryland, click the link in the bio to book today.
That was beautiful haircut transformation of the day. The most satisfying and the most relaxing. I think it's so relaxing to watch that type of haircut transformation. You know, it's really satisfying process to cut hair and trim the beard, and all of that process. It's so satisfying to watch. That was super clean. This is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation of the day.
His hairline's receding on both sides. Other barbers give him a McDonald's hairline like that. To prevent this, I thin it out, lay the waves down, and then I'm gonna prep the skin up, and I'm gonna line it up real natural on those corners, and boom, that's the finished product. No enhancements. Let me know what you think. If you're in Lower Maryland, click the link in the bio to book today.
Oh my god, it looks so satisfying. It looks so sharp. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, this is gonna be a most beautiful video of the day. As you know guys, our famous circuit among the black guys like Afro, Shape of Tapper, Blend, Drop Fade, New Dreads, and lots of other famous circuits among the black people are included in this video. So if you're still watching this video, I think you have to watch to end and hit the subscribe button because we upload, I think, daily like that haircut. If you really love to watch that kind of haircut transformation, or you are a barber, or you're just it's a random guy who loves haircut process, I think the Barber Masters is the right channel for you on YouTube. Oh my god, this is gonna be a most crispiest and crankiest and craziest haircut transformation of the day.
My boy's hairline is fucked up. He got a lot of overgrowth and he got two light spots. Other barbers push him back like this. What is that? Rainbow hairline. So to prevent this, I thin it out, then lay the waves down. Press the skin with shaving gel and a hot towel. Line the sidebars up first so we have a guideline when we line up the front line. And kept it real natural. This is before, then the after. If you're in Lower Maryland, click the link in the bio to book today.
Your favorite band. Comment it right now. Write your favorite. Write your favorite.
This new client got two light spots. He said other bars push it back like this. Instead, I'm gonna take it down, then I'm gonna lay the waves down, thin out the hairline, then prep the skin, line it up super natural, then boom. That's the end. Look, if you're in Lower Maryland, got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio to book today.
Wow, that was so clean. I love that type of transformation. That was super clean, super fresh, and perfect one.
You got a fucked up hairline? Do you have two light spots in your hairline? This is how I'm about to save my boy. I lay the waves down to hide those light spots, and then I prep the skin up, and then I line it up real natural. That's the end result with no enhancements. If you in Lower Maryland and got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio to book today.
Anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of this crazy haircut transformation, and that was the last haircut of the day. I hope you have enjoyed lots of. So Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for the upcoming upload. Guys, thank you so much.